This is a VDO 411.101 dual channel speed switch. This is a useful module that can monitor the frequency of two input channels. Usually the shaft speed is measured using a Hall effect sensor or a mag pickup. An output relay will open or close when the shaft speed goes above or below a pre-programmed speed.
In this example, the VDO 411.101 is set up for the overspeed alarm with fuel throttle control. As you can see, as I increase the speed of the engine, the first alarm goes off at 2,500 RPM. The second alarm goes off at 3,500 RPM. If this was connected to the fuel pump controller, we could have it reduce supply of fuel to protect the engine. We have this configuration used in motor vehicles, material handling, generators and irrigation pumps.
In this example, the VDO 411.101 is configured to set an alarm if the shaft speed falls below a set point, in this case 1000 RPM. This is useful for applications like a wood chipper or an air conditioner where the motor slows down when it is under load. If you have a giant log going into a wood chipper, the engine might stall if you feed it in too quickly. You can have the 411.101 to disengage the clutch for the cutting tool to let the engine spool up again to the correct operating speed. The 411.101 can be programmed in the field using 4 buttons and an LED display. The dip switches are used to set the programming and output modes, including the input frequency range, relays set to normally open or normally closed, and whether there is a pull-up resistor needed on the inputs. There are numerous applications for the VDO 411.101 speed switch. The VDO 411.101 has been installed on buses so that the door automatically closes and stays closed above 3 km an hour. Also, the VDO 411.101 has been installed in garbage trucks to prevent the arms from operating while the truck is in motion.
The VDO 411.101 has been installed in forklifts to lock out reverse while the forklift is in motion, reducing the frequency of a catastrophic transmission failure. The 411.101 has also been installed in forklifts and other material handling equipment as a speed alarm to improve safety on the worksite.
Contact your local VDO distributor to learn more about the solutions the VDO 411.101 dual channel speed switch provides.